Welcome back, everybody. This is from where we have left off from the previous tutorial on how to buy Eagle Vision's token. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to provide LP tokens and how to stake your EVI tokens for more returns and profits. So there are three ways you can make use of your EVI tokens. The first way is from the tab Farms. In Farms, these two pools will be available in the page, and this is to provide liquidity into the pool, and it's up to you on which one you want to go with. There is EVI BNB LP and EVI BUSD LP. And the second way is pools. You buy EVI tokens, and once you have them, you can just simply approve this pool and just deposit your EVI for more returns. In this pool, you would be getting EVI as your return. In these pools is the same thing, you will be getting EVI as your returns. Lastly, which would be the launchpad, it would be a little bit different. It's the same as pools and staking your EVI, but you will be getting your returns in WBNB instead. So, moving on to providing liquidity and show you how to provide them, go to the Trade tab, Liquidity, and now after you have chosen which pool that you want to go with, in my case I will be going with EVI BNB LP. So I would go with BNB and EVI. In my case I will go with the max EVI that I hold and just press confirm supply and confirm the transaction. And once this is confirmed, you will see all the details in this small tab down the swap tab over here. You will see all the details, how much you hold EVI and how much BNB you hold and how much LP tokens you hold from providing this liquidity. Okay, shows here that the transaction has been confirmed, and you would wait for it to load. Yes, okay. Now, as you can see, LP tokens in your wallet would be 2.672 LP tokens. So the next thing you should do is go to Farms tab, go to EVI BNB, which you have provided the liquidity in, press deposit, press the maximum amount that you have in your LP tokens wallet, and just confirm. And once this is confirmed, everything else is automatic. You will be getting your earned EVI. It will show the earned EVI over here. As you can see, it is increasing the second that goes by. And the lockup, the harvest lockup, as you can see here as well, all the information is displayed in each and every tab, so it will be easy for you guys to just read it out, and you will exactly know what it is. The harvest lockup is like how much ever you have here earned EVI, you cannot harvest it until the 6 days has passed, and automatically this would be able to be available for you to harvest. And these are the tokens that you can see that you have provided in. You can just minus how much ever you want, or you can just add if you would like to. And for staking your EVI alone without providing liquidity, you can just simply approve this pool, and how much ever you have EVI, you can just deposit your EVI, and that's it. There you go, guys. You can get more returns, more profits just by holding the token.